Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change cleaning solution filling volume for mop washing on a ROBOROCK Saros 10R. If you want to change how much cleaning solution is being used for mop washing, you can simply click on Dock, then Dock Settings, now More, then find Cleaning Solution Filling. Then you can set it to none, so it will not be automatically added during the mop wash or tank refill. You can set it to standard, which is suitable for daily use, or high volume for heavily soiled areas where the robot may slip or leave water stains. I'll leave it on standard, and that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.